think it's been really good because there are a lot of people from different parts of the region, and it has been very good to see venture capital firms and to see banks and to see companies like Microsoft and other companies and angel investors from Jordan, from Dubai, from Lebanon.
I was expecting to learn more about like what are the challenges that angel investors face, particularly in Egypt and in the MENA region more generally, and to learn just about the kind of what angels, what are their needs, like what's blocking them from becoming angel investors, and seeing, if there's any room for collaboration with them.
The most important thing when we launched the first edition of Angels Oasis last year, that we took, after the event, we took all the feedback from the attendees, the partners, to be able to identify what we should develop. And we took this into consideration, starting from the content. A lot of people said there was a lot of master classes, which was quite intense during the two days. So we lighten up on the master classes and we focus more on the panels. We asked them which industries they want to know more about, which trends they are interested in more, and we integrated this in the panels and the workshop this year.
The best thing is that I see new faces, and this is the purpose, I believe, and should be the main outcome of this conference, is to encourage more people to become angel investors and to be encouraged to take this leap and start investing in technology startups or startups in general.
This conference serves the great opportunity for us to be connected with the different investors, from the angel investors, venture capitals, private equity. So this is a great platform for us to get to know each other.
One is probably education, just understanding startups in general, venture capital as an asset class. I think the other is probably access to the startups. So that's why it's important to maybe join an angel network.
Some of the difficulties in the process in terms of registering companies, in terms of dealing with different parts of the administrative process. Also challenges in terms of the need for being dedicated 100% to a startup, and quite a lot of people are not able to do so. Challenges in access to funding.
I believe the main challenge facing angel investment in the Middle East is that we don't have enough success stories. Okay, so angels, when they invest in a startup, they eventually want to be able to see the exit. They want to see the return, because we have to admit that they are taking a big risk being angel investors and investing in early stage startups.
We typically, because we have a development impact mandate, some of the main sectors that we're looking at are e-logistics, e-supply chain, health tech, edutech, as well as just global internet. So anything that enables e-commerce, just things that help promote economic growth.
Multiple of industries the investors are more keen about, because it's solving a problem, and we can say there's a lot of issues in Egypt related to the financial inclusion, related to the health tech, and the health, whether insurance or providing the service when it comes to the health industry. And there's a lot of startups coming to the scene.
Recently, the trend has, we've been seeing a lot of investment in the logistics sector. It's a huge sector where there is a huge gap and opportunity in the Middle Eastern markets. Definitely also education, where again there is a huge gap and a huge opportunity, and the healthcare sector.